these tracks aren't mine. Day 1, -35, whiteout. The sky is still blue, but it already feels like night. Snow doesn't fall here. It hits, sideways, relentless. I keep walking, because stopping is how people vanish. Then I see the tracks. 2 sets. One is mine, the other is not. They're heavier, wider, and they angle into the trees like they already know where I'm going. I kneel down, brush the snow away. The wind tries to erase it while I'm looking at it, like the storm is protecting whoever made them. I lift my head. The forest is a blur of frozen trunks and moving white. I can't tell what's real anymore, but my body knows when something is wrong. I follow the curve of those prints, because direction is a rumor in a whiteout, and this is the only certainty I have. I try my phone. No signal. Nothing. Frost crawls across the screen like a warning. My fingers shake inside the gloves. Not fear. Cold. Pure cold. I sweep my flashlight across the trees. Left. Right. The beam disappears into the storm like it's being swallowed. And for one moment, between 2 trunks, I see a shape. Not clear, not close, just a wolf-like shadow, blurred by snow, standing where nothing should be. Then it's gone. I don't move. I don't breathe, because the moment you move, you tell the dark you're still alive. I raise the light again, higher this time. The storm keeps screaming, the trees keep shifting, and the prints, they keep going. If those tracks weren't mine, then whose were they? And why do they feel like they're leading me exactly where I'm not supposed to be?